In this screencast, I will show you how to use the new history browsing feature for documents. First, go to your account settings, go to the bottom and click on Track Revisions. This is off by default right now, but it will be on once the revision tracking functionality is more developed. If you don't see the Track Revisions option, refresh your browser. Okay, once you click that, click on Save, and now go to a project at all, and open it, and then open a new document or an existing document, and you can start tracking revisions. So I'll make a new document, history example, and I'll just make a Sage worksheet. Revision tracking works with most files that get edited using the CodeMirror editor, like LaTeX documents, Python files, Sage files, etc. It's not currently available for IPython notebook or task lists, but it will be later, hopefully. Okay, now we're going. Notice there's a new button because we enabled revision tracking called History. As we make changes to our document, every so often, the state of the document, the complete state of the document is saved, so every few seconds. So I'm just going to do a few silly things here. Actually, I want my plot of sine to be red, so I just made it red, and I'll make it long and skinny. All right, there we are. Now, if you click on the History button, then you'll see a version of the document. Notice there were 36 revisions saved in just a few seconds as I was working with the document. By clicking the back button, you can go through and look at all the past versions. Oops. Notice there's a slider, and as you go back, you go through the previous versions of the document. If you go forward in time. You can see the plots appear properly, etc. So if we go back over here, we can do more things. Make a little for loop. Print some output. So basically, you can just change whatever you want anywhere. You can do math. Show a big LaTeX equation, etc. Okay, of course you can embed output like title 1, 2, etc. Okay, click on History, and now notice the browser has little sliders now here, and if you start clicking forward, it goes forward in time. We can see exactly what we did. Every little change is getting recorded. And there we are. And you can just drag this, and you see it as the worksheet develops over time. You see as things get typeset, etc. Not only this, if somebody else then opens the same worksheet, say a collaborator of yours, or you in another browser, starts making changes, those are integrated with this history, assuming that they have revision tracking enabled or the document was recently opened. That can be useful if you want to go back and see why a document changed in a certain way. Currently, we're not tracking or at least displaying who makes the changes, but that will come in the future. Okay, so hopefully you'll find this useful and it will at some point save your ass. Thank you.